everyone, this is Jagriti. Welcome to your own channel, Ojha Education Services. So in previous class, we have discussed about the topic meaning of research, nature of research and the meaning of hypothesis. In today's topic, we are discussing about the types of research. Basically, your research is categorized into two broad words or broad parts. The first one is your qualitative research and the second one is your quantitative research. Before we are starting our terms qualitative research and quantitative research, firstly we will understand that from which words the qualitative and quantitative word is derived. So the qualitative research is derived from word quality and the quantitative word is derived from the word quantity. Right? We can understand it with simple, words. What do you understand by the word quality and quantity? So with a simple definition we can understand that what the term is quality and the word term is quantity. So quality is just meeting up all the set standards for a specific task or a specific purpose. And when we are talking about the term quantity, which means we can easily count on numbers. So when we are understanding the words quality and quantity, which means that quality means when I am talking about meeting up all the set standards, right, for a specific purpose, which means that we have already set up some standard and we are matching it, right. And on another hand, when we are talking about the quantity, which means we can easily count on numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right. So before understanding qualitative and quantitative research, we are going to understand that what is quality and what is quantity. So basically quality, when we are talking about quality, we can take a simple example like if some persons are eating chole bhature and I am asking to them that how much you are satisfied from chole bhature, and some of are saying it's okay and some of them are saying it's good and some of are saying it's very good. So this is very confusing for me that what number of people are saying that it is okay, good or very good. But when I am talking about the quantity word, right, so if I am asking about person in a manner that rank chole bhature on particular number, so 30% are saying that it is very good and on rank 5 70% people are saying that it is excellent. So this is easy for me to understand about the quantity. This is very confusing for me to understand about the term quality because quality is just a feeling. We cannot explain it on numbers, right? When we relate the word quality to qualitative and the word quantity to quantitative, we can easily understand that in qualitative research, all research is based on quality, and in quantity research, right, we are almost talking about the numbers of our research, right. So in qualitative research, and in quantitative research, we will take a simple example of both topics, right. So when we are talking about the qualitative research, if we will take example of interviewer which is given by some of experts, and in quantitative research we are talking about public surveys. So we can understand both the terms very easily. In interview, it is not easy to take interview of lots of people, but in public survey it is easy to take number of survey, in a particular time period, right? So when we are talking about the interview and public survey, this is basically very qualitative, and this is not so, because it is directly to a person in a physical manner. So if I am taking an interview of a person, and basically I am asking about their schooling, so if I am asking about the qualification of a person, and after that I am asking that from which school or from which college you have completed your studies, and they are telling the answer, and I am asking particular questions from their answers, right? So these type of question is generally type of open-ended question, right? And if I will take a public survey example, for example, if I am taking example of Ola service, if I am cancelling my ride and I have to give a feedback that why I am cancelling that particular ride, so they are already giving me some option that the driver is taking more money, or he is taking more time than a usual time, so they are already giving me their particular answer, so I have to choose one of them, right? So when we are talking about public survey, in that the question are close-ended question, right? So we can understand that if I am talking about the qualitative research and the questions are open-ended, so it is very convenient for me to understand the particular person, right? But when I am talking about the quantitative research, there is already prescribed limited question, and they have to give their answer in particular points, right, from particular option, then it is not so fruitful for me to take particular answers in a serious manner, right? Because I am already giving their particular option and they cannot reply with their own mind, right? So today we have easily understand the term qualitative and quantitative research, and the quite difference between qualitative and quantitative research, that qualitative research is totally based on the term quality, and the quantitative research is totally based on the word quantity. So in next video we will understand, we will take different examples of qualitative research and quantitative research. Thank you, class.